Blockchain is the foundation that powers Web3, the decentralized internet of the future. It allows users to bypass traditional intermediaries like banks and corporations to control their own data, identity, and assets. Imagine a world where every transaction is trusted, secure, and transparent without needing to rely on third parties. Blockchain is the key that unlocks this future. Practical tip. To get started, set up a blockchain wallet like MetaMask. This wallet will allow you to store, send and receive digital assets like cryptocurrency, as well as interact with decentralized applications or dApps. It's your gateway into the world of blockchain. Chapter 1. What is blockchain and how does it work? Blockchain is essentially a digital ledger that stores data in blocks which are chained together in chronological order. Each block is linked to the previous one, creating an unalterable record of transactions. This structure is decentralized, meaning no single entity owns or controls the ledger. Instead, it is maintained by a global network of computers or nodes that validate and record transactions. Example, imagine a shared Google Doc that everyone can see but no one can edit or delete past entries. This transparency and immutability make blockchain incredibly secure and trustworthy. Unlike traditional systems where a central authority can manipulate data. Practical tip. Explore blockchain explorers like Etherscan for Ethereum or blockchain.info for Bitcoin. These tools allow you to view real-time transactions, block confirmations, and the status of different wallets. Understanding how blockchain records data can give you insights into how it works. Chapter 2. Decentralization, power to the people. In traditional systems, corporations, banks, and governments have control over data, assets, and transactions. Blockchain breaks this model by decentralizing control across a global network. Every participant in the network holds a copy of the blockchain, ensuring transparency and security. This decentralization makes the system nearly impossible to hack or manipulate. Consider how a bank can freeze your account or reverse a transaction. In blockchain-based systems, no central authority can control or censor transactions. This means you have complete control over your assets. Practical tip: experiment with decentralized finance or DeFi, apps like Uniswap or Compound. These apps allow you to trade cryptocurrencies or lend and borrow assets without the need for banks. You'll experience firsthand the power of decentralization in action. Chapter 3. Smart contracts, automation without trust issues. Smart contracts are self-executing agreements built on blockchain. They are coded to automatically perform actions once certain conditions are met. For example, if you're renting out digital art as an NFT, the smart contract ensures the buyer receives the art and you receive the payment automatically without the need for a middleman. These contracts are tamper-proof, reducing the need for intermediaries and eliminating trust issues. In real estate, a smart contract could automate the process of purchasing a home. Once both buyer and seller agree to the terms, the smart contract handles the transfer of ownership and payment without the need for lawyers or escrow agents. Practical tip. Try interacting with a smart contract by buying an NFT on platforms like OpenSea or Foundation. Watch how the smart contract handles the entire transaction, from payment to asset transfer, without needing human intervention. Chapter 4. Transparency and security. Why blockchain can't be hacked. Blockchain's transparency is a key feature that makes it so secure. Every transaction is recorded publicly, meaning anyone can verify the accuracy of the data. This is critical in a world where fraud and manipulation are common. Blockchain uses cryptographic hashing to ensure that once data is recorded, it cannot be altered without the network's consensus. This makes blockchain resistant to tampering, hacking, and fraud. For example, a supply chain company uses blockchain to track products from manufacture to delivery. Each step is recorded transparently on the blockchain, ensuring that anyone can verify the product's journey. This prevents fraud and counterfeiting, which are common issues in global supply chains. Practical tip. Look into projects like VChain, which use blockchain to bring transparency to industries like supply chain management. You can also explore decentralized identity solutions that use blockchain to give people control over their digital identities. Conclusion: the future is decentralized. Blockchain is transforming how we interact with the digital world. From securing our finances to automating complex contracts, it's reshaping industries and giving users unprecedented control over their digital lives. The best way to understand its power is to dive in and explore. Call to action. Take your first step into the world of blockchain by setting up a digital wallet and exploring decentralized applications. The more you engage with blockchain technology, the more you'll realize its potential to revolutionize the way we interact with the internet and each other.